What's up, good people? Out here on vacation, man. Out here in Hilton Head. And guess what I found out here in Hilton Head, man? We're going to do a little product review. Check it out. They got the Meat District Shaq Brisket and Chuck Short Rib half-a-pound burgers, man. So we about to do a little small review. And guess what they got me cooking on this Airbnb? A little electric charbroil grill. It's called a patio bistro. So y'all stay tuned, man. Got folks out there playing tennis and everything, man. We about to throw down right here on this little electric grill, right here on the rolling grill. Yeah, boy. Oh my gosh, y'all. Charbroil Patio Bistro, y'all. Look at that thing, man. It's an electric grill. I got it running all the way here to the plug, man. Look at y'all. Look at this. I ain't never cooked on no contraption like this, but we about to make it happen, though. I got it heating up right now. I got it on. Matter of fact, let me put it on 5. We're going to burn off what's on there from the previous guests, and then we're going to cook up these burgers, y'all. Stay tuned. Yeah, they out there playing tennis, y'all. Yeah, boy. All right, y'all. Here's the supporting cast. We're going to use the little Cajun seasoning. I brought all this from home with me. The little Cajun seasoning. We got the olive oil spray. Y'all know I love that stuff. The roasted garlic, the black pepper. We're going to use them Kraft American singles. And, of course, we got that good brioche style bun. If you can't use it for hamburgers, then you can make some good French toast or bread pudding out of it. Yes, sir. And then we got them Meat District Shaq 100% Angus beef. Brisket, chuck, short rib. There's 4 of them. Here they are. Pretty big burgers, too. Pretty nice sized burgers. So, you know, we're going to get up in there. I only got one hand, y'all. So let me go ahead and get this thing cut open. And I will let y'all see what they look like. Yes, sir. All right, folks, I have them open. And yes, and another thing. All y'all that talking about why you wear no gloves, bruh, I'm at home, man. Feeding me. I don't need no gloves to feed me. I don't need no, anyway, back to the regular scheduled program. Look how thick those burgers are. Half-a-pound burgers. Got these at Publix in Hilton Head. Nice sized burgers, man. So, Shaq, you might have something good going on here, my brother. Go ahead and get them things laid out for y'all. That's the one thing about a hamburger, man. Gotta have some good ratio in there. It don't tell you if it's 80-20 or whatever it is. Let's see. Let's flip it over on the back. See what Shaq talking about. You know, Shaq wants you to put some onions under there. He wants you to press your burger. Now, you know, I come from the don't smash your burger family, so it's called patty smash. I don't believe in smashing no burger. You press all the grease out of it, but anyway. That's what Shaq wants your burger to look like, y'all. So anyway, let's get it popping, man. We're gonna go ahead and get these things seasoned up. I ain't gonna show y'all how to season no hamburger. Everybody know how to do that. And again, I'm using these. Let me get started. All right, guys, I got one side seasoned up. Gonna let it soak up in there a little bit. Let's go ahead and go out here and clean this grill. All right, guys, here we go. They even left us a brush to make it happen. Can y'all see the little smoke coming off the grill? This actually is not a bad little idea, man. This is actually pretty convenient, you know. Hey, man. You ain't got to worry about no charcoal. You ain't got to worry about no gas. Just plug it in there and get it popping. So let's go ahead and get them cooked up. Oh, let me show y'all what it look like at the top when you close the lid. Charbroil. Patio Bistro, baby. Yes, sir. All right, y'all. A little oil. Non-stick cooking spray. Gotta do that. Got my little hamburgers right here in the chair. Yes, sir. There we go, y'all. I got it on 3. I don't want to blast it. Let me turn up to 4. But they cooking, y'all. All right, y'all. Look at all the little smoke coming off the grill. Let's see what we got going on up in here. Burger can. Yeah. That's easy. Oh, yes, sir. Let's see what we got. Oh, yeah. That's not bad right there, y'all. Real Mark, boy, y'all better stop playing with me. Look at that. Yes, sir. All right, so to finish them off, we're gonna cut that thing down to 2. Matter of fact, 1.5. We're just gonna let them rock out. Yes, sir. All right, y'all. Let's go ahead and finish these burgers off with some good old white onion. We'll let that cook on that too. Matter of fact, let's do that. It's hot too. Yeah. Woo, shit, hot. Stay tuned. All right, good peoples. Of course, we got the American cheese. I'm gonna toast my buns, but before I do that, let me let y'all look at these onions. Look at that. Yes, they hot. Let them grill, my peoples. Ooh. Can you hear it? Listen. Yeah. I'm about to put that cheese on there. Matter of fact, stay tuned. Let's put that cheese on there now. Look at that. Oh, yes, sir. Oh, yeah, y'all. All right, y'all. We about to be eating in a minute. Y'all stay tuned. Shaq Burgers. All right, y'all. And there we have it. Got a little ketchup to smear it in. Got the Shaq Burger, double cheese, grilled onions, and of course we got some beautiful shoestring fries up under there. Oh yeah, got that bun grilled too. I don't know if y'all can see it up under there with some Duke's mayonnaise, baby. You gotta add Duke's mayonnaise, baby. So let's go ahead and give it a taste. All right, y'all. Hopefully y'all can see me as we working with right here. The Shaq Burger, baby. Oh, yes, sir. It's good. It's actually really tasty. I'll do a little dip in that ketchup. I had to give it a 5 out of 5. That's some good eating right there. And it kept its size too. It didn't shrink. Well, yeah, that's all I got for y'all today, man. As always, man. Good food, good vibes. Yeah, boy.